Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to use the CapCut desktop version to remove the background. Just one click, okay? Just one click using simply just use the desktop version of the CapCut. So I just open it. So once it's opened, what you can see now is there's two clips here. They have some background. There's one and the other one is here. So all I need to do is go to the top right corner. There is one called video. See that video? Click on video. Okay, there under the video there's one called cutout. So you see they got Chrome key and auto cutout. So don't worry about this Chrome key. Only thing you need to do is click on auto cutout. Instantly, the background is removed. So when I play the video, looks perfect. Okay, and if I come here, I can do the second video as well. You see they got three girls here. If I click so first thing I'm going to do is highlight video. Okay, if I click on auto cutout, it remove the background totally, and the three figures remain intact. So it is perfect. And then you can add whatever background to your video. Okay, so say I want to change to yellow. Okay, I put the yellow background here, and looks perfect. So this is very awesome tool. I hope this video can be helpful for you. Okay, thank you. Bye.